In today's video, I will show you the best way to convert audio to MIDI. All you need to do is follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, head over to samplab.com. This website offers a fantastic tool called Samplab 2 for audio to MIDI conversion. Once you are there, go ahead and download Samplab 2. The software comes with both basic and premium plans. Choose whichever plan suits your needs. Personally, I prefer the basic plan, and the best part is it's absolutely free. After downloading and installing the software, sign up on their website. Once you are signed up, log in to your software. You can also use Samplab 2 as a plugin in any DAW. For this demonstration, I will be using the software directly. Now simply drag and drop your audio file into the Samplab 2 interface. Next, select the specific part of the audio you want to convert. Keep in mind that the free plan allows conversion of only 10 seconds of audio. Once you have made your selection, click OK. Samplab 2 will take a few moments to convert your audio file into a MIDI file. Once the conversion is complete, you are done. Export the file as a MIDI file and you are good to go. What's great about this software is that it also detects the BPM, time signature, and key of your audio file automatically. This information can be incredibly helpful for further editing and adjustments. Now import the MIDI file into your preferred DAW and choose any instrumental plugin you desire. Make any necessary adjustments. You have successfully converted your audio to MIDI. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this method helpful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.